Although it sounds absolutely bonkers, yes, there are legitimate apps that pay you $600 for using them. And that $600 is no joke. You could pay your rent, groceries, or other bills with this money, and in some areas of the world, believe it or not, $600 is more than an average person's monthly salary. Pretty crazy, right? Well, yes, there might be a million questions in your mind right now regarding why such apps exist and how they operate. But by the end of this video, I'll make sure to leave no stone unturned. However, first and foremost, let's make it clear that all the applications discussed in this video are truly legitimate. They have an excellent track record of making payments, and just for some peace of mind, you could try doing some research on your own, if there are any second thoughts about that trust in your mind. So now, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Number 1. Survey Junkie. So the first app on our list is Survey Junkie, which obviously is, well, a survey app. Although survey apps have a reputation of paying out really meagerly, Survey Junkie is probably the highest paying survey app currently out there, boasting the trust of nearly 10 million members who have signed up with it and earned a portion of $40,000 that it pays out on a daily basis. And how do they do that? Well, Survey Junkie actually makes its money with the core concept of almost every other survey app out there. They collect data, which generally is based around the participants' opinion on certain products or even their own buying habits, and provide companies, firms, and businesses with that insight. Obviously, no one would spare their valuable time to participate in such surveys for nothing, so the money that is given serves essentially as an incentivizing tool for more and more candidates to hop in. To sign up with Survey Junkie, all you have to do is download their app, which is available for both iOS and Android devices, and sign up with all the necessary details about yourself, which would help them curate surveys relevant to your profile. Obviously, they wouldn't want a target customer filling out a Costco questionnaire. Now, in terms of the money you can make with Survey Junkie, totally depends on the time you invest into completing the surveys. Since there's no cap to how many you can do, putting all your spare time into this would make you somewhere around 50 cents to $3 per survey, easily summing up to $600 a month with very little dedication. Number 2. Rakuten. Now, perhaps one of the biggest and most trusted cashback sites, Rakuten has over a whopping 127 million members, all signed to its platform. In the most simple words, it is essentially an e-commerce store with perks of providing cash back upon purchase of items. So, how does that work? Well, Rakuten is sort of a collaborative platform where vendors and store owners set up to obviously meet a global customer market. The platform serves a bridge between buyers and vendors, and this is where the cash back part comes in. Rakuten provides leads and funnels potential customers to purchase from, let's say, Target, and Target then pays a certain portion from the sales to Rakuten. But the platform doesn't keep it all. It distributes another portion of it back to the customers as a cashback reward. Not only does this mechanism incentivize more vendors to join the platform, but also the customers to keep shopping again and again. Now, how this idea may appeal to you is that there's no fixed limit to the purchases, because almost all stores offer a 1% to 3% cash back. Surprisingly, during special occasions like New Year's Eve, this percentage can hike up to an incredible 10%. So, if you're an avid shopaholic or make purchases for necessary items online, then Rakuten is perfect for you. All you need to do is sign up to the platform with details like your email address and password, after which you would be welcomed by a $10 bonus. Pretty great already, isn't it? If you have a couple of friends, which you hopefully do, you can invite them to join Rakuten, and for that you'll receive a whopping $30 reward for each one. So even an average of 20 friends joining through your referral would easily make you $600 in no time. Now, at least there's some kind of benefit to moving out of the introverted shell and making new friends, so why not? Number 3, healthy wage. Okay, question. Do you feel like you've gained a few extra pounds during vacations, or just feel the urge to shed some of that annoying body fat? Well, if your answer is yes, Healthy Wage might just be your sign to begin. As the name suggests, it is obviously a health and fitness platform that primarily focuses on paying you for losing weight. Yes, you heard that right, it pays you to lose weight. So at whatever weight you are right now, if you believe you can drop it down a few kilograms, you bet on that, and if achieved within a certain time frame, you are rewarded with a massive sum of cash. Okay, for a little more transparency, let's dive deeper into how Healthy Wage operates. So, as we've already established, the platform incentivizes people to lose weight and be rewarded through money. But where does this money come from? Well, there are multiple sources for that, including the actual betting, which is when individuals don't hit their weight targets and lose money. This money then actually goes towards the company's operations and scaling improvements. Operational fees, which is commission the company cuts specifically from group cash rewards. For example, if Mike and his team achieve their weight target and win $10,000, the platform takes $2,500 or 25% from it. And last but not the least, data is also a crucial money maker for the company, as when users sign up to a fitness platform, they obviously mention details like age, weight, height, or even eating habits. This data is farmed and passed down to companies and advertisers for improving their targeting strategies. Although it may sound a little odd at first, as obviously it is a health improvement platform, but technically it isn't structured to celebrate your win. Every single time an individual hits their weight target and wins the bet, money outflows the company. So the mechanism is also supposed to ensure that not everyone wins, and that money can be distributed harmoniously between the winners, losers, and Healthy Wage itself. In terms of the actual cash prizes, they can vary a lot depending on the variables like the length of your weight loss time period and how easy or difficult achieving the targeted weight is. But as an average, you can expect anything between $100 to even a mind-blowing $10,000. Since we've come to the end, let me ask you a question. Why are you doing this? Why are you sitting on the internet searching for ways to make money like this? Why only $600 and not more? Because you obviously haven't figured out the button to success yet. So listen carefully if you really want to know where it is. Ready? You see that red button down below that says subscribe on it? Yes, that's the one. Press it, and while you're down there, it wouldn't hurt to hit the like either, so why not? But anyways guys, that is all for today's video, and we'll see you soon in the next one.